Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoe Doc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Hello my friends! It has been a while since I've posted any videos. Yeah, it's good to be back making some new content. I was just taking a little break. So I got something, we'll call it a shoe adjacent today. So this is not a shoe brand, but this is some shoe trees from LaBerta. So they reached out to me on Instagram. This is family-owned business in Hungary, 5th generation. So they've been making shoe trees by hand since 1870. Aaron Berta is the family member right now, kind of running the business. So let's take a look at these. So really nice box here. It comes with a shoe bag. This is quite a generous sized shoe bag. Kind of has velvet type of feel to it. Very nice. Definitely could fit, easily fit an entire pair of shoes in there. Wow, look at this beautiful shoe tree. So these are made of Alderwood, and they use a single spring. This is a pretty solid, I mean, this thing is strong. This is a nice, solid, single spring construction. Each one comes with its own serial number and a little card with the matching serial number on it. Very cool. Let's get everything out. They've got a brush in here as well. I guess this is like talcum powder. A little keychain. Yeah, look at these. Absolutely beautiful shoe trees. This nice brass ring. Really quite elegant and stunning. They feel very solid. Really has a nice feel to it. So again, these are made of Alderwood. This is their nut brown, but they do come in a number of different colors. They have a green and a yellow and a lighter brown. So lots of different color options. They are exact size, so they make everything from a European size 39 to 46, which is a UK 5 to 12, or US 6 to 13. This shape, and they have 3 different last shapes too. This one is the moire, so it's a little bit longer, more pointed nose on this one. And it's got the little bit lower instep to it. So a little bit lower instep, a little bit lower volume, I think normal width, but yeah, more of a pointed nose shape. Now they sell individual shoe trees at around $75. The brushes themselves, I think you get a brush for around $15, the shoe bag's around $10. But they send a whole set, so this was an entire kit. And honestly, I thought they were just sending the shoe trees. I didn't realize they were sending the entire kit, so this is kind of a nice surprise for me here. But yeah, the entire kit runs around $100. So again, this is the moire. Let's open up these others and see what we've got. So another pair in the nut brown, and this one just came with a shine cloth. So they got all these different products with the shine cloth, different type of brush. I think they called this one the mud brush, so maybe this is just more for like the welt and a clean off, where this might be their actual shine brush. Let's take a look at this one. So again, it's got the serial number and the card to match with it. And this shows a different option. Instead of the ring, they've got the brass knob here. And this is the Dumas. So this is a more rounded toe. They said it's got a little bit more of a medium height to it, or medium instep, so more of a classic rounded toe on this one. Same, single spring design, and see these two maybe side by side to see the difference in the shape. So a little bit longer toe shape. Yeah, very cool. So I will definitely look to try these with a few pairs of shoes here in a minute and just see how they fit. Some of my own brand. My idea is that if some of these fit my brand really well, maybe we'll look at doing some sort of further collaboration where I can offer these with my shoes, which would be really cool. So we've got the Dumas, again the Moray, and then they sent one other. Let's take a look and see what we've got here. Ah, very cool. Okay, so they let me know that they were working on some boot trees as well. So I wasn't sure if they were going to send one or they were kind of still in production. So this is their deep green. Really pretty cool color on these too. I like this. This is a little bit more classic with that nut brown, but this is really cool. And this looks like it is on the Moray shape as well, with this higher back here. So this one is designed for a boot, and again with the serial number. So really, really cool. Really high quality. The fact that they've been making these, this is the 5th generation since 1870. Really impressive. A little bit on the pricey side for shoe trees, especially if you're in the U.S. used to like the Woodlore product. But if you want something really unique, and the fact that you can get exact sizes is really great. So let's try these in a few shoes and see how they do. All right, so I got a pair of my Michael Darren Chukka boots. So Chukka boot in cognac, and this is UK size 7. So this shoe tree, and just looking at it, I mean, that looks like it would be a pretty good fit. So let's try this out. We'll slide this thing in here. Ooh, that's really good. That's a great fit. So I wanted to kind of feel around here and feel that it's actually, filling in the space. For a non-lasted shoe tree, there's a little bit of give, a little bit of space kind of right here on the edge. But down here in the toe, that is filling up the space really nicely, along the vamp, filling up the space really nicely. So only right in here where the shape of the shoe tree tapers off, it's not quite putting that external pressure on it. So, if you don't want it to stretch the shoe out but just maintain the shape, I think this is perfect. That is really a very nice fit. So really happy with that. This works great for this boot model. Looks really nice. I'm definitely going to use that. Alright, going to try a few others from my collection. This is the Adelaide model. I'm going to use this Moray. That's more elongated shoe tree, and let's see how that fits. So I'll tell you, lengthwise, this is good, but the instep is just a little bit low for this one. And let's try it instead, slightly different last shape on this hole cut. This one's better, definitely better. So that fits in the vamp much tighter. So it's really just this chiseled last that's got a little bit higher instep, but yeah, very happy with the way it fits on this model. And then I'm going to try, I also have more of a rounded last here too, and I'm going to try this other one. This is the Dumas with that rounded shape and more of the medium instep, and see how that does. Again, a pretty good fit, just a little bit of extra space in the vamp there. Alrighty, so once again, kind of that final look here at these LaBerta shoe trees. I think they're really high quality, really nice. I like the finish, the feel, the weight, the pressure of the spring, everything about these is really, really nice. A few of these fit some of my shoes a little bit better than others. I really like the fact that they have the exact shoe size available in these. So check them out. So again, they're on Instagram, is how they reached out to me. Their website is in construction now, but I think worth checking them out. And I'll be talking with them further, see if we can't work something out. And maybe I'll end up offering these shoe trees as an option with my shoes. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.